In 2016, a washing machine exploded in a Texas home while a woman was washing a mattress pad. The lid blew off. The machine pushed away from the wall. She was in another room. She said, "If my kids had been there, it could have been deadly." That machine was a Samsung. Samsung's fix was a software update. They slowed the spin cycle. They did not fix the machine. 2.8 million of those machines were recalled. A class action lawsuit followed. The settlement cost $6.55 million. Most owners never knew, and the brand that made them is still one of the best-selling washing machines in America today. We will get to that brand. But first, here are the 5 worst washing machine brands ranked by repair technicians and the 3 they actually buy for their own homes. Starting at number 5. Number 5. Frigidaire. Frigidaire washing machines have been among the most complained about appliances in the United States for the past several years. The failure modes are consistent enough that repair technicians can often diagnose the brand from the symptom alone. The primary failure is the control board, specifically the user interface board that manages cycle selection, water temperature, and spin speed. This board fails at a disproportionately high rate compared to competitor machines in the same price range, and it fails early. The average reported failure occurs between 2 and 4 years of ownership. Control board replacement runs between $200 and $350. On a machine purchased for $500 to $700, that repair at year 3 is a significant hit. The second most common failure is the door latch assembly on front-load models. A plastic housing that cracks under repeated thermal cycling, hot wash to cold wash, cycle after cycle. A cracked latch means the machine won't start. The part costs $20 to $40. Labor adds another $70 to $100. Multiple industry reliability surveys consistently place Frigidaire washers at or near the bottom of customer satisfaction rankings. That is not bad luck. That is a design philosophy that prioritizes initial purchase price over long-term reliability. Number 4. GE, specifically entry-level post-2016 models. General Electric sold its appliance division to the Chinese company Haier in 2016 for $5.6 billion. The brand name stayed. The engineering standards did not, at least not across the entire lineup. GE's higher-tier lines, the Profile and Monogram series, remain competitive. The problem is the entry-level GE machines carrying the same famous badge at a fraction of the price. One technician reported seeing 5 cases of the exact same inverter board and user interface board failure in a single 2-week period, all on entry-level GE machines between 2 and 3 years old. Each repair cost between $400 and $660 on machines that originally sold for around $1,100. The GE name carries decades of trust. The entry-level machine under that badge does not always deserve it. If you are buying GE, buy Profile tier or higher. The entry-level line is a different product wearing a trusted name. Number 3. Whirlpool Cabrio. One of the best-selling washing machines in America for nearly a decade, also one of the most repaired. The Cabrio uses a direct drive system with a bearing directly beneath the wash tub. That bearing is exposed to water, which means rust, which means bearing failure, which means a repair that costs more than the machine is worth. Depending on the model, bearing repair runs $350 to $425, including labor. On a machine that sells for $600 to $900 new, that repair makes no economic sense after year 5. Most Cabrio owners simply replace the machine when the bearing goes. Whirlpool engineers knew where the bearing was. They knew what water exposure does to steel over time. They built it that way anyway. The Cabrio line has been discontinued. Millions are still in homes across the United States. If you own one and it is past year 5, start planning for what comes next. Number 2. LG, specifically front-load models from 2010 to 2020. LG looks excellent on paper. Direct drive motor with a 10-year warranty, competitive pricing, and for the first 3 to 5 years, most owners are satisfied. The failure repair technicians see most often is the spider arm fracture. The spider arm is the metal bracket connecting the drum to the shaft. On these front loaders, it is cast aluminum, and it cracks under repeated high-speed spin cycles, particularly with heavy loads. When the spider arm fractures, the drum becomes unbalanced. The machine shakes. The bearings fail. Repair runs between $350 and $600, often more than the machine is worth. In severe cases, parts alone hit $600 before labor is added. LG has improved significantly in recent years. But if you own a front loader from before 2020, know the warning signs. Grinding during spin, excessive vibration, a burning smell. That is the spider arm. Number 1. Samsung. We opened with the explosion. The recall. The 2.8 million machines. But the recall is only the most visible part of Samsung's problem. The failure repair technicians cite most consistently is the splined hub failure on top-load models. The splined hub connects the drum to the motor shaft. On Samsung top loaders, this component is made to a tolerance repair technicians describe as insufficient for the stress loads generated during high-speed spin cycles. The connection strips over time. The drum spins independently of the motor. The machine sounds like it is working. It is not cleaning anything. Splined hub replacement costs between $150 and $250 in parts. Labor adds another $100 to $150. Total repair between $250 and $400 on a machine that may be 2 or 3 years old. Samsung's response to the 2016 recall was a software update that reduced spin speed. Not a structural fix, not a redesign, a software update. In 2018, 2 years after the recall, another Samsung top loader exploded in Texas. If there is one brand on this list that repair technicians agree you should never buy, this is it. Now for the 3 worth buying. Number 3 worth buying. Maytag Commercial Technology Series. Not Maytag's standard consumer line, the commercial technology designation specifically. Commercial-grade motor, stainless steel wash basket, a control board that runs cooler and fails less. Repair technicians who work on both lines consistently report the commercial technology machines come in less often and fail less catastrophically when they do. Number 2 worth buying. LG TwinWash, newer models post-2021. LG's reliability has improved significantly on their newer lineup. The TwinWash configuration with the compatible pedestal distributes load differently and reduces stress on the components that caused earlier failures. If you want LG, buy post-2021 and buy the TwinWash tier. Number 1 worth buying. Speed Queen. This is not controversial among repair technicians. Speed Queen is the brand they buy for their own homes. Speed Queen builds commercial laundry equipment for laundromats, hotels, and hospitals. Their residential machines are built to the same standard, tested to 10,400 cycles, the equivalent of 25 years of use at 8 loads per week. That comes directly from Speed Queen's own engineering documentation. Consumer Reports confirms it. Speed Queen had the strongest brand loyalty of any washer brand surveyed, meaning owners who have one would buy it again at a higher rate than any other brand on the market. A standard Speed Queen top loader runs between $1,000 and $1,400. A Samsung runs between $600 and $900. The math is straightforward. Buy it once. Keep it for 25 years. The rule: the cheapest washing machine in the store is the most expensive one you will ever own. Buy the brand repair technicians buy for their own homes, not the brand that spends the most on advertising. Next week, the refrigerator industry ran the same playbook, and the compressor is designed to fail exactly 1 year after your warranty expires. Subscribe so you don't miss it.